What's up, future fighters? We are rolling. This is, of course, where I'm uploading videos for you guys. Twitter is one place, but I'm also on all the other social media sites. That is the website for later. What we're doing right now is we've got our moves put into an array. We've got the variation of those moves put into an array, and we've loaded that combo in. And so what we want to do now is we want to put that language into the game. That's not it. The current language that we have in the game is a programmer type language, and that's great for when we were programming. However, we're going to have to use this for the next character, the Omanite, and then who's already completed, but then we're going to be building Arissa, the tech assassin, who I talked about in the last video, and we're building her from start to finish. And when we are building these characters, we want to have a system. And we want to have an efficient system, one that we can just jump in and jump out of, so I can crank characters out and get the game launched. So that's what we're doing. We're making it easy on ourselves for later. It takes a little bit more time in the short run, but in the long run, it's so important. So here's move files, which I showed you before, and moves. This is interesting. Let's see here. Okay. So I just want to make sure we're translating everything correctly. So moves, move files. We're creating the array. All right. And those are the move variations, indeed. And then this guy, okay. It's an array of arrays. You see how that works. So, yeah, these are the moves, and these are the variations of the moves. That is really perfect, actually. So this works out great. So the language, current move, and the current move variation, it all translates. So let's go. We're going to go up here. And where it says move file, which is only 3 places in here, we're going to change that to move variation, which we already have typed in there. So we're just going to replace that. So now you can see that the current move that we choose has an array of move variations that are put into this array of categories of moves. So these are your approaches, and then each approach has different variations. That's basically it. Very simple. It looks like our video is finished, so we're just gonna pop into YouTube real quick and get that guy uploaded for you, so we can keep moving here. Lots of videos for you guys today. I'm just cranking them out. I don't know what's gotten into me. Just want to make sure you guys have plenty to watch for this week. So, this is good. This is good. So yeah, so that's exactly what it does. And move variations. That is perfect. I love it when stuff works out like that. Okay, so let's put this guy over here. And then let's bring back all of the code, which is here. And put that here. Just make sure. So move file this is the first one. So this is set AI, which start a file. Yes. So, and these are the two we just changed. So we're going to go to the next script, execute combo, which is here, and we're going to be looking for the same thing, just so I don't mistype anything. We want to keep it consistent, so I'm just going to use copy and paste here. And of course, in this particular instance, we've got several other references to this, and this is perfect because this is what started it all. This message that we got from Shadow, and while we were playing the game, it's currently running in the background. We'll get back to that in a little bit once we get this fixed. So here's our move files, current move file index. See all this language. Oh, look what I did. That's pretty funny. Let's just put that up there like that. This is what I meant to do. So we just changed all this language. See, this is a move file, so this is going to be a move variations. Move file index. We just changed that move variation index. So we're going to be, it's all going to match up. And that's why we're doing the find and replace here. And so this is all making perfect sense. So what we want to do is we want to replace all of those like so. And then, of course, we had several areas here in this execute combo code. Oh, wow, that was it. That is perfect. Wow, I thought it was going to be a lot more. That is perfect. Okay, that's great. That's super great. So what we got to do now is, well, we got to make a new version of this. So let's save our GameMaker file. Let us, I'm just going to do this in the background while we close out our current running of GameMaker, our Future Fighter game. And what's going on in the background is GameMaker is making us a new game file. So what we're going to do is we're just going to load up the new file, and that'll be coming up in the next video. And then we're going to test this out. So we made the changes to the code. Next video, we're going to test it out. If you like this stuff, head to docbrockgames.com and subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already. Don't click this if you already have, or you'll unsubscribe yourself. I don't want to do that. Then click alpha version of the game. Features, characters, screenshots, and most importantly, put your email address in so I can notify you when this game comes out. You can face Shadow yourself. Until then, we'll see you at YouTube, and we're going to make more AI. See you then.